It's pretty here in the lobby at Thunder Valley. Pretty display. So I just wanted to share that. Have a great day. Got a bonus on Chuco. 25 or 10-cent denomination. I got the mini for 100. So here we go. Come on, one more. Oh well, that was good. Very nice. 250 back. Go again. Do a little more play. See if Chuco feels like giving me something else. It's not bad. Okay, I'll go down to 150. Oh. Okay, I'll be back if I get a bonus. Thanks for watching. Okay, I got the mini again. I'm on Chuco. Didn't move. I started out with like 70 bucks, I think. The mini's 100. Okay, keep it going. Come on, minor again, at least. Or anything. Fill her up. All right. I'll take anything. Oh, don't be my last, please. Back up. I have an attendant around me. Okay, I'll come back if I get something. Got a bonus. Thank you. almost won my money back. Okay, very nice. A little more likely. Oh, there you go. That was cool.
Like you're gonna walk away from that.
I'll go down to 360. I'll come back if I get some. Got a bonus on Chuco. 250 back, 10-cent denom. Here we go. Alright. It's nice to get the hold and spin. Okay. Even if it's little, I will take it. That is nice. Well, that's probably all right. It's almost a full screen. Oh, 127.50. Very nice. Balls? No. Very nice. 180. Oh, almost. More. Okay, I'll come back if I get something. I've done pretty well. I think I started with 70 here, and I'm up to 457.95. Thank you very much, Chuco. Thanks.